Hey guys, it's Erica, and today I'm here to do a plant makeover. I've been seeing a bunch of asparagus ferns for sale and I've been really wanting to buy one, but for some reason I kept thinking like, this plant is a weed. I know this plant is a weed, I've seen it somewhere, and then I remembered that I saw it at my grandma's, and when I was little I would always try and pull out the weeds and it would really hurt my hand, so they're spiny, and I went to my grandma's, I saw a whole bunch of them, and I just started digging them up. I dug some up for my grandma because she likes how they look when they hang and they trail down, and I potted those for her, and I'm gonna insert the footage here. Okay, right now I'm in my grandma's backyard. I've been wanting some asparagus and I was gonna buy some, but then I thought about it and I was like, you know what? I could just dig it up and have a free plant. So that's what I'm gonna do with one of these babies. These roots were so crazy. So I dug up another one from out of here next to these spider plants that I first got my spider plant obsession with. And I didn't know, but they had tuberous roots. This soil right here is sandy, so they pretty much are perfect to become weeds. They definitely are everywhere here. I'm gonna have a big plant by the end of this because I'm digging up all these little all these little ones so I could have a full plant. Oh my goodness. Wow. Guys, look at this. I cannot believe that I almost paid for one of these. There's also the little, oh, this one. These that I've seen for sale too. I could dig one of those up also because I've seen those for sale also that I've almost purchased, and there is an abundance of free ones here that I can't even believe that I would even think about paying for one. Wow. Ones that I dug up, and my grandma likes how they look when they hang, so I'm gonna pot a couple in here for her, and then I'm gonna take some home. This is the soil she has, Miracle-Gro garden soil, so that's gonna be what I use. So this is how it looks so far. It's a little scraggly, but these are weeds, so I'm expecting them to grow really fast and fill out the pot very nicely. And I'm gonna put this one in a separate pot so I can take home. Here it is hanging. It looks super cute. I'm really happy with it. Be sure to wear gloves when dealing with this plant though, because oh my gosh, it will really stab you. This is mine that I brought back, and yes, I brought it back in a tortilla bag because I wanted to use my own soil. So here it is. Roots and all, some debris still. I really want to make this plant look nice, and I also like the way that it looks when it trails. So I have this pot here that I think is a beautiful color that I'm going to put this fern in. And then I have my macrame that I made for a video, and I have a bunch others, but I want to use that one specifically to hang up this plant, and I think it's gonna look so beautiful. First things first, gotta make that soil mixture. So here I have some soil from the last time I potted a plant, which was yesterday when I repotted my clearance plants, my plants that I found on clearance. So I'm gonna use this soil. This is Espoma potting mixture and a little bit of perlite. But since this plant, this asparagus fern, is very hardy and it could dry up more, I'm going to be using the cactus mix for this one. And since I don't want to waste this soil, I'm just gonna add this in here. And of course, to prevent overwatering, because this plant does have tuberous roots like a spider plant, which I did not know previously until I dug one up that was right next to a spider plant. And at first I thought it was the roots of the spider plant, but then I was like, no, these are asparagus fern roots. And I feel like I knew that when I was little because I would always be like weeding them out, but I just forgot over time, I guess. And let me add some Miracle-Gro perlite because I love adding perlite to my mixtures. And then I have my spoon to mix it up. I wonder what my younger self would have thought, like, since I was always kind of pulling these weeds out for my grandma, that one day I would think they're so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I remember I would like use these roots, these tuberous roots, to like mash up and make into like a concoction or something, like a potion. I don't know what I was doing, I was little, but wow, I wonder what I would have thought now that I'm here, like making it into an aesthetic plant to hang in my room. So let me just pop this up. Wow, okay, how cute does this look? It looks so adorable. I love it. Oh my gosh. All right. We love indoor house weeds. So this plant looks absolutely gorgeous in my opinion, and I'm super happy with how this looks. It kind of does, it looks fine outside as a weed in my grandma's house, but wow, it looks a lot better here in my house. Oh my gosh, I really love it. This could not have turned out any better. Let me put it in its macrame. Oh, this is how it looks in the little macrame that I made. I think this looks so good. This is great. And this was super cheap. Like I only had to buy this pot for like what, $7, and then this macrame for however much this rope was. This thing, like I could ignore the cost of that because I got a whole bunch of them for $1. And wow, how much do you think this would cost on Urban Outfitters? Because it would probably be above $40. I could not be more happy with it. I think this is a very hardy plant just from seeing how much of a weed it is, how hard it is for my grandma to keep it off her property. She has so much of it, so I think this is going to be the newest plant gift I start giving out because this looks super adorable. But these plants are literally everywhere in my grandma's backyard. I'm expecting it to be very easy to care for. I'm going to have it in my room, which only has a north-facing window, so hopefully it does good there. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed watching this plant be transformed. If you have any tips on how to care for this plant properly, it would be great to see those down in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe. I post new videos every other day, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching guys. Bye!